Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drawing tablets for beginners. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. 10 Moons Graphic Drawing Tablet. Brand name, 10 Moons. 10 by 6 inch graphic drawing tablet. 10 inch large panel, larger painting area, more able to express painting details. 1060 plus graphic drawing tablet. Big size working area and lightweight. 12 customizable hotkeys and 10 media keys. 8192 levels pressure sensitivity and 233 pps report rate. The 5080p resolution. High-level parameters allow you to draw fluidly. Compatible with Windows 10 8.7 and macOS, works with creative software such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Sci, and more. Easy to set up, no need CD for installation, battery-free precise pen, no need charge, no need battery, very user-friendly. Wool liner bag, protect film, 8-pack nibs as a gift. Number 4. Joomon 10-inch drawing tablet. Brand name, GAOMON. Our battery-free stylus provides 8192 levels of instant pen pressure sensitivity. 12 programming buttons and pen jacket. 12 hotkeys and 16 soft express keys can be programmable in Joomon tablet driver based on your preference, like eraser, zoom in out, scrolling undo. Tilt function supported passive pen. Big size working area and lightweight. Compatible with Android OS 6.0 Plus, Windows 10 8.7, Mac OS version 10.12 and above. Number 3. Veek Digital Drawing Pad. Brand name, Veek. Type-C input design, can easily plug in and out with either direction, which is more convenient and stable. The A15 drawing tablet come with 20 spare nibs and 1 artist glove. Ultra large drawing area, 10 by 6 inch active area, and it is thin, only 9 mm, and light enough so you can carry it around your workspace. Intelligent passive technology, 8192 levels battery free with smart chip, no need to charge, allowing for constant uninterrupted draw, providing with fluidity to expand your creative output. Designed for both right and left hand users, 12 fully customizable express keys, can be customized according to your usage habits. The driver allows the shortcut keys to be attuned to many different softwares. Number 2. XPPEN Graphics Tablet. Brand name, XPPEN. XPPEN Star G960 SS Plus Graphics Tablet Digital Drawing Tablet. Simultaneous digital inking with an XPPEN graphics tablet compatible with Microsoft Office apps like Word, PowerPoint, OneNote and more. Visually present your handwritten notes and signatures precisely, ideal for your web conferencing or online course. Teachers and speakers can create and explain interactive content visually by writing, editing, and annotating directly in files and sharing their screen in real time. Large enough to express your creative ideas. The XPPEN Star G960 comes with an 8.35 by 5.33 inch working area. Star G960S Star G960S Plus comes with a 9 by 6 inch working area, offering you more space and more freedom to express your creative ideas. Features 4 customizable shortcut keys, allowing you to tailor your shortcuts to your preferences and create with maximum convenience and efficiency. The battery-free stylus pen does not require batteries or charging and supports long hours of uninterrupted drawing, letting you focus on your creation for even longer. Number 1. Huion Wireless Drawing Digital Pen Tablet. Brand name, Huion. Huion New Arrival Inspiroy Dial Q620M Graphic Tablet Wireless Drawing Digital Pen Tablet with dial for PC and Android. Every detail matters a lot. Quick access to most used feature. New way for you to create. Create freely with natural handwriting. Get started with your mobile canvas. Note down what you want, quickly and precisely. Paint from a new perspective, quick access to most used feature. Convenient wireless connection, amazing battery life. Multi-purpose, LED indicators. Work with various devices, compatible with Android, Windows and macOS. Inspiroy dial works seamlessly with PC, laptops and Android phones.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.